Hi students, good morning. So, science in 6th lesson completed. So, what is our 6th lesson name? S. Safety and first aid. Yes or no? So, now we are completing our fair notes and fill up in textbook. So, I'll open your science fair note first. Okay? So, look at. Write as it is like this only. Okay? First bit. First bit is what? Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Okay. So first one. First one is what? Yes. You should always walk. You should always walk. So three options are there. So first option is what? On the footpath. Second option is what? In the middle of the road. Third option is what? Across the road. So which is one is correct? Yes, on the footpath. You should always walk on the footpath. So second one, you can avoid accident if you. So say, when we are avoid accident, yes. Option 1 is are indoors, run down stairs, and second one is follow safety rules. When you are avoiding an accident, yes, you should be follow safety rules. You should always avoid. You should be follow the safety rules. So we accidents automatically controlling. So you should be follow the safety rules first. Okay. Next, third one. Third one is what? If there are broken wires, what we should do is remove them, replace them, attach another wires. So what is the correct answer? Is remove them. Sorry, replace them. Okay. Fourth one. After playing with your toys. After playing with your toys, what should you do? Leave them where you play. Keep them in their place. Spread them on the floor. Yes, option 2 is correct. That means keep them in their place. Okay. Next, fifth one. An electric shock victim should be separated using hands, iron rod, or wooden pole. So which one is correct? Yes, wooden pole is correct. So first bit completed. Now look, which bit? Yes, second bit. What is second bit? It's say whether the following statements are true or false. Say whether the following statements are true or false. So that means what? True or false. Second bit is what? True or false. So first one, true or false in first one. Every home and school should have a first aid kit. It's correct? Yes, every public place, every home, everywhere. So first aid is available. Okay, that means true. So true spelling True. True. Second one, you should collect and burn some papers just for fun. Yes, this is the process is correct. So you fun purpose you are firing? No, that process is very wrong. So that statement is also wrong. So that means what? Yes, that answer is false. So you all are no false spelling. So next third one. Inside the classroom, you can play some games with books and chalks. So the statement is correct. Inside the classroom, you can play some games with books and chalks. So that statement is wrong. We are not playing inside the classroom. So that means false. Okay. Next fourth one. Go in a line while climbing up or down the steps. Yes, the statement is very correct, and also you should be follow the statement. So when you are going, so you should follow the line. Okay. So that means true. Next, fifth one. When you cross the road, you should run. When you cross the road, you should run. So the statement is correct? No, the statement is wrong. That means false. Okay? These true or false. So as it is right, these bits. As it is right, these bits and your fair notes, and after complete your fair notes, just fill up these answers in your textbook. Okay. First and second bit complete, no? No third bits. So third bit don't write in your fair notes. Just fill up that blanks in your textbooks. So Ala open your textbook. Page number 195. Okay. So what is third bit? Yes, third bit is complete the table. What happened to the person? What is done? First person is fired person. Second diagram, what do you observe in first diagram? S firing, and second in electric shock, third in hand broken. So what write any two sentences about the topic. Okay. So first one is what? Sorry, caught fire. Sorry, caught fire. And what is the what should we do? What should we have to do? Is roll on the ground. That person for roll on the ground. Second person, electric shock. Second person is what? Electric shock. So what should we do? Is separate with wooden pole. Separate with wooden pole. So third person is what? Hand broken, no? So what should we do? Is use a hand sling. Use a hand sling. So just to these blanks fill up in your textbook, but don't write third bit in your fair notes. Okay. So third bit completed, no? Now which bit? Yes, no? Fourth bit. Fourth bit is what? Yes. Answer the following questions. Fourth bit is what? Answer the following question. Look it. So write as it is. Okay. Write as it is in your fair note. So look and write. So fourth bit is answer the following question. So first question is what? What is an accident? Say two. First question in two there. First one is what is an accident, and second one is why do accident occur? So look at the answer. A sudden and unexpected event is called accident. A sudden and unexpected event is called accident. So when accidents are occurred, as accident occurred mostly because of carelessness. Yes, accidents occur mostly because of carelessness. Okay. Second question, look. What is meant by first aid? What is meant by first aid? Is immediate help given to an injured person before he is attended by a doctor is called first aid. Immediate help given to an injured person before he is attended by a doctor is called first aid. So third question. So what is third question? Is write 3 rules you should follow on the road. So lot of rules are there, but this question in asked just only 3 rules. So I wrote, look it. So first rule is what? Do not run while crossing the road. So that means don't run while crossing the road. B means second rule. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Cross the road at zebra crossing. C. Walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. Fourth question. So, how do you help an electric shock victim? So say, how do you help an electric shock victim? S. So, look at. First, switch off the main switch. First, switch off the main switch. If a person is still in contact, separate him. Using a dry wooden pole, if he is unconscious, make him lie down on a flat and ground in an airy place and sprinkle cold water on his face. Okay. So, fourth question is completed, no? No. Fifth question. So, fifth question is what? What care should be taken to prevent fire accident during Diwali celebration? So, once again I am saying, what care should be taken to prevent fire accident during Diwali celebration? So, so there are some points. So Diwali celebration time, so you must should be follow some rules to protect ourselves and our family self and our surrounding. Okay, so what should we do? As first one is what? Do not light the fireworks, handing them in hands. Second part, use lighters with a long handles to light the fireworks. Okay, use lighters with long handles to light the fireworks. C, do not wear synthetic dress or any synthetic clothes while lighting fireworks. Last one, D, do not light the fireworks inside the house. Do not light the fireworks inside the house. So, question answers also completed. So, look at your textbook. Okay? Allah, open your textbook again. Page number 195. So, students, activity. So, look at last bit is what? Activity. So, this activity don't write in your fair notes. Just you only do this activity in your home. Okay. First activity is what? Prepare a first aid box for your class using the show box and cotton, bandage and Dettol, etc. So that means first activity is what? Do a first aid kit. Okay. Make a first aid kit. Means first aid box. So second activity, prepare a chart with do's and don't. It's to avoid accidents. So avoid accidents. So we want avoid accident. First do something. What we have to do and what we don't do. So right. So for then one hint there. Going a line. So that is you want to do. So secondly you don't do. That means do not run down the stair. So these two activities you only must should be do in your home. Okay. Thank you.